Good morning, everyone. It is January the 26th, 2020. And I'm writing down the time. It is 8:15. Alright. I'm hoping I've got everything. Alright, because I shut off everything last night when I went to lay down. Alright, here we go. There was a 3.9 Moluccan Sea at 6.2 miles in depth. Now, I am only using one earthquake center if USGS and EMSC agree. And if they disagree, then I'll use two. Alright? But so far, they've agreed on everything. There was a 4.4 Andreoff Islands, Aleutian Islands, Alaska, 42 miles southwest of AMATIG NAK at 22 miles in depth. A 4.7 near the coast of Nicaragua at 103.7 miles in depth. A 4.4 Rat Island, Aleutian Islands, Alaska. They've got it 43 miles southwest of AMTIGNAK at 16 miles in depth. A 4.4 Andreoff Islands, Aleutian Islands, Alaska. They've got it 43 miles southwest of AMATIGNAK at 16 miles in depth. A 4.8 Andreoff Islands, Aleutian Islands, Alaska region, 33 miles southwest of AMATIGNAK at 18 miles in depth. A 4.4 Andreoff Islands, Alaska. They've got it 40 miles southwest of AMATIGNAK at 25 miles in depth. A 4.2 Rat Island, Alaska, 55 miles southwest of AMATIGNAK at 16 miles in depth. There was another one in Nicaragua. There was a 4.5 Nicaragua, 6 miles northeast of POSOLTEGA at 113 miles in depth. A 3.4 Salta, Argentina at 141 miles in depth. A 3.3 Botswana, they've got that at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.6 east of North Island, New Zealand, 254 miles east of Gisborne at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.7 Andreoff Islands, Aleutian Islands, Alaska, 32 miles southwest of AMATIGNAK at 29 miles in depth. A 4.4 Mindanao, Philippines. They've got it 18 miles east of MARIHATAG at 68.9 miles in depth. A 3.3 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.8 Kuril Islands region, 164 miles southwest of Serbio-Kurilski, Russia at 38 miles in depth. A 3.6 Java, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.3 Salta, Argentina again at 148.5 miles in depth. This one just happened of 2.6. According to the EMSC, it's Puget Sound region, Washington. They've got it at 3.7 miles in depth. USGS says it was a 2.6 Washington, 1 mile east of Lake Marcel, saltwater, MARCEL, saltwater at 4 miles in depth. Both links description box. And there was a 4.4 Banda Sea at 251.6 miles in depth. Alright guys, I think I'm all caught up. So that'll be your morning earthquake report. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much. All links are in the description box. You guys are totally, totally awesome. I hope you have a blessed Sunday. Please be safe out there. Sending much love. 2 thumbs up.